Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southern Waller County in southeastern Texas, west central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pecan Grove, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southwestern Sugar Land, Rosenberg, Katy, Richmond, Pecan Grove, Mission Bend, Southwestern Eldridge, or West Oaks, Fulshear, Pleak, Fairchilds, Beasley, Thompsons, Great Wood, New Territory, Cinco Ranch, Cummings, and Four Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.